DJI, a global powerhouse in consumer drone technology, is preparing to once again revolutionize the market with its upcoming release, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This new iteration is the direct successor to the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a drone that was widely praised for its balance of portability, image quality, and innovative features. With the Mini 5 Pro, DJI looks to take things even further, offering cutting-edge enhancements that will appeal to drone enthusiasts, photographers, videographers, and even professionals in various industries. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore what makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro one of the most anticipated releases of 2024. One of the standout features rumored for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its significant sensor upgrade. DJI is expected to include a 1-inch sensor in the new model, marking a major leap from its predecessor's sensor size. This larger sensor is a game changer, especially for drone users who prioritize high-quality images and videos. A larger sensor means more light can be captured, resulting in images that boast greater detail, richer colors, and improved performance in low-light environments. Building on the AI-powered tracking capabilities introduced in previous DJI models, the Mini 5 Pro is set to take this feature to the next level. With upgraded AI algorithms, this drone will have the ability to follow subjects with even more precision and fluidity than ever before. One of the key technological advancements in the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its integration of 5G connectivity. This upgrade provides significant improvements in data transfer speeds, allowing for real-time video transmission and nearly instantaneous control inputs. Despite these major performance upgrades, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to maintain the compact and lightweight design that has made the Mini series so popular. DJI knows that portability is key for many users. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or just heading out to your local park for a quick shoot, having a drone that's easy to carry is essential. The Mini 5 Pro will likely weigh under 250 grams, which is an important threshold in many regions for avoiding additional registration or licensing requirements. In addition to its high-end features, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to see improvements in battery life. While the Mini 4 Pro already offered a respectable flight time, users are hoping for even longer battery performance in the Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is also rumored to come equipped with a more advanced obstacle avoidance system. This feature is expected to surpass the capabilities of its predecessor by offering 360-degree obstacle detection. As anticipation builds for the DJI Mini 5 Pro, many are curious about its price and when it will be available. The release date is speculated to fall in mid-2024, possibly aligning with a larger product launch event where DJI showcases several new products. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.